How to Put Ads and Get Paid. International Living, a website dedicated to helping people live and travel abroad, has issued an insightful report on 50 ways to make money in retirement. The report is aimed at retirees who want to fund their lives overseas, but here's the secret gem: hidden between the advice on opening a gallery, becoming a tour guide, or joining the craft beer revolution, you'll find smart advice that anyone can use to make money online. No matter your skill set, no matter what you do now or did in the past, there is an option that will align with your own skills and passions, the internationalliving.com editors explain. According to Jennifer Stevens, executive editor at International Living, the list is vast, but it isn't comprehensive. We created it to give people a sense for the scope of opportunity out there, says Stevens. We've written lots about the different ways expats abroad fund their lives. Sometimes it's with online work, like writing or drop shipping. Sometimes it's in-person services they provide, from running a consignment store to wedding planning. Certainly, the online opportunities provide great flexibility and portability. But it's worth pointing out that business owners in many places tell us that it's much easier to start a business abroad because it's often less expensive and less bureaucratic than it is at home. Thanks for watching.